All right, what's going on, people? So I did that 3 clutch egg cutting the other day. Well, guess what? Everybody's out of the egg, so I'm going to do a quick video. Usually don't do this until they shed, but I'll probably do a video after they shed too. So look at that, pretty bad, right? Yeah, I'm into weird plants too. So anyway, so this is those 3 clutches that I had. It was a Blue-Eyed Lucy clutch, what turned out to be an all clown clutch, and some pieds that were it was a het pied to a pied. So here you go. So Blue-Eyed Lucy's, and that right there is a Super Mojave. You can tell by the head. Either Super Lesser or Lesser to Mojave. So you saw that clown clutch that I was hoping for a banana clown, but I don't know what happened there. Still don't know. So out of that, we got 3 clowns. 3 normal clowns, that is. Put them guys right here. We got an escapee over here. So there you go, 3 normal clowns, and we ended up with a cool looking pastel clown. All right, so and out of the pieds, the pied to a het pied, ended up with, what did I get? 4 pieds, but this is the first year that I got. Let me put them over here. 1 second. Let me throw the lid on these other guys, and all right, here we go. So this is the first year that I ended up getting some low white pieds, which I was really trying to get. Let's see if I can let these guys unravel here. But yeah, some of these turned out pretty cool. I think I might keep 1 or 2 of these back too, like a knucklehead. Like that one right there. Very low white. And some nice dark orange patterns. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick update of all these guys out of the egg. And like I said, our next clutch, you know what, I gotta go check. Next clutch is gonna be, it's actually Tiger. Let's see, it's Tiger, which is a Enchi Desert. And that Tiger went to a Lemon Blast. And the other clutch it's due on the same day is a Lesser. So might get some cool looking things out of that, but once again, just want to do a quick update. I'm out.